Today's industries demand precision, innovation, and speed. At Sunrise Metal, we push the limits to create stronger, lighter, and more durable products, delivering them faster with precision to meet your needs. We make your work easier with customized solutions from prototyping to production, so you don't need multiple suppliers. Using advanced technologies like vacuum die casting, squeeze die casting, and semi-solid die casting, we combine expert engineering and modern equipments to bring your ideas to life quickly and cost-effectively. With proven expertise in industries such as medical devices, marine electronics, robotics, and telecommunication, we produce precision aluminum die casting and machine components that match your demanding standards. At Sunrise Metal, we don't just manufacture parts, we create possibilities. Together, let's casting your success.